Hey everyone, how's it growing? This is Miss Sammy, your garden teacher, and today I'm going to be reading a book called The Life of a Bean by Deb Storment. You can grow a plant from a bean. Beans are seeds. New plants can grow from seeds. You can plant the bean in soil. Plants need water, sunlight, air, space, and food to grow. When the seed gets what it needs, it sprouts. Look at the skin of the bean. It's split. See the tiny root? The roots grow first. It pokes through the skin. You can see the plant change. The part near the bean pokes out of the soil. This will be the stem. The roots grow longer. The bean plant uses food for the seed to grow. The plant keeps changing. See its tiny leaves? The leaves are curled down. That keeps them from breaking as they move up through the soil. There are more changes. The root gets bigger and stronger. The leaves will reach toward the light. The bean plant is now tall and strong. The bean plant also has flowers. The flowers will make new seeds. Soon the flowers die. See the pods? They have fresh beans inside. Make sure to save some. These are the seeds. You can grow new plants from the seeds. Then the life cycle of growing and changing starts again. Now that you know the life of a bean, you can try to grow one of your own. So if you're at home and you have some dried beans, try adding them to a little bit of potting soil, water them every day, and put them by a windowsill so they have plenty of light. Let me know if you grow some beans.